I'm going to show you how to set your garage door opener to work inside your car if it's equipped. And so it's really simple. You're just going to take the remote that comes with your garage door opener, and you're going to be pushing down on the button that opens the garage door that you want to be programmed, while also pushing down on one of the buttons for the that come in the car. So you're going to hold both of those down, and you'll see that the indicator light will be flashing on the remote. Don't be alarmed if your garage door is opening while this happens, but you're going to hold both of those down for pretty much as long as it takes the garage door to open. Then let go with the remote and hold only the button with the car, and hold that for about 5 seconds or so, and then as soon as you let go, it works. So now we'll show you this again. We're going to program that other garage door. So we're going to be holding down the button for that garage door, and we're going to hold down the other button that we want it to open. And so as you hold it down, you'll notice this light on the remote's going to start flashing. Okay, so after you've held it down for a while with both of them like this, then you're going to let go of both and hold only the one that's on the car for about 5 seconds. Now, as you can see, it's operating. So that's how you program the garage door feature on these if it's equipped. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.